It is Good Times has got a WhatsApp channel. If you want to get breaking news stories immediately on your phone on WhatsApp, please click the link on the description to join the It is Good Times WhatsApp channel.
It is TV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is Times.co.za. Orlando Pirates 2, Sekhukhune United 1, kumdlalo we-Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates making sure ukuthi they keep that gap between bona namamelodi Sundowns. Ihleli phake class 6 points because you must remember ukuthi Sundowns nayo namhlanje phake kwi-Tshwane Derby. They won namhlanje. Was it 3-0 so? Was it 4?
Mina bengibheke lapha ngibheke lapha enkulu
Mamelodi Sundowns won nayo namhlanje, but Orlando Pirates making sure ukuthi bayake kula game ngomgqibelo against Mamelodi Sundowns eLoftus Stadium. La gap ke isengu la 6 points. Should Orlando Pirates win on Saturday, they will reduce the gap to 3 points, but should Mamelodi Sundowns win, that will mean ukuthi la gap it widens now to 9 points. It promises to be a banger umdlalo wa Saturday eLoftus ngo 3:30, but ke umdlalo esothatha ngayo noTso namhlanje ngumdlalo obudlala namhlanje phake Old Peter Mokaba Stadium. Mr. Tso, khawusibulisele mhlekazi.
Mhlekazi omhle.
Awu, Mr. Tso.
Ngasukuphuphupha ngecawa. Ngibulise wena Shane, ngibulise Mr. Nkewu, ngibulise uStizi, ngibulise Batulindo Mkwena. Ubobo Khadoso no chairman my chairman. Nginibulise lapha emakhaya. Ngicela support njalo la iDisc TV. Ngizobe njengoba njalo ngishike futhi.
Mr. Tso.
Sheni ngicela ukusho manje ukuthi yazi umdala uyabayeka abantwana abayenze bonke bese uyesa wona uyavala
Uzovala.
uyavala wasomdala Sheni njoba ngithi ngiyavala manje bekudlala club enkulu le bonke laba abantwana baphuma kula club leya so it is very important for me ukuthi ngigcine Cheni sometimes angithi mele senda ngeage yabona ukuthi mawumdala mele ugcine so that makhulume wena akaseke usazokhuluma
uzongena emva kwakho
eza ngamakhepula zakhepula umuzi kamasipala zawenzo wawo sisuke la saya le phezulu ayi madoda ezimnyama ayi Shane you know iPirates yenye club engafana namanye ama club because the way nomusa ngakhona iyakhona ukuthi wajabulisa nalama yama club ajabule and then bese abanye babone ngathi they are bigger than the Pirates bese thina si Pirates will humble you yeah we are a big team azange sithiwe nje big team nje sehle sihlahleni no ayi ngisengiqala phansi manje kanti sengihamba vele ebhandeni manje well done to Ezimnyama. It was not an easy game, Shane. Yes, we expect available to win, but they had to work for that game. You know, it's Sekhukhune. Yeah, first half, very good first half, balance, both teams, they played well. You can see the attack, try to get to that final third. But the one player that impressed tonight, actually this boy. I don't know bengamvimba kanjani or ngibracket ngimfake yazi ku balloon abe safe in that balloon Sibumbule ayi Shane lo mfana udlalela inye ibhola man la mfana udlalela
excellent game
no udlalela inye ibhola this boy udlalela inye angifuni ukukhuluma ngeclub yona self ngifuna ukukhuluma ngaye I know this boy is something else Shane. You know, he doesn't lose the balls. He controls the midfield. You know, there were moments where 3 players, the Pirates, but by Kurasha, la the midfield. I'm talking about the midfield in La Pagat, La Batemanzin. That boy, at touch, apume at Timina. Yeah. No. This boy, he's something else, Shane. And Mangi Timina has been protected because I think it deserves better. It deserves, you know, bigger opportunities.
Bigger opportunities means you deserve to play for a big team, so.
Yeah, man, Shane, that's why ngisho ngithi angazi ngamprotecta kanjani because italent efana nalena it's rare to find a midfielder like Usipho that does things like this. He's a good passer, he's a good reader of the game, he doesn't lose the ball easily, he's got skill, he can take you on now. I mean, we can count the PSL man, how many players that they can do that that coming from that central midfield. So yeah man, this boy angazi ngenzani but boy keep working, son. You know, in this game, it's not easy. There's a lot of things that are coming in and out, but keep working. And Makehleni, umuntu omdala. Hayi umuntu omdala ukorele namhlanje wachayiva lapha ekhoneni.
Machayiva.
yabona wena Shane mangitshela ukuthi le club enkulu umuntu omdala ukorile wavala.
Making sure.
You lead by example. Mawumdala umele ubonise ubudala bakho lapho. Umuntu omdala ubonisile lapha wathi no bafana bami makore mina ngasekho korayo nyakhiya lapha ya. But yeah, the last 5 minutes, yeah, that was a game where it was tense.
Yeah,
The last 5
nerve-wracking.
minutes. It was tense, and I asked myself, why coach Usiema will put Umdambe benching? I mean, ungena kwakhe, the game changed altogether. And I was telling Uchuna ngithi Chuna, mina nguSiyema laphaya. I will never put Umdambo ngaphandle. I will play Munare, I will play Usipho, I will play Mdambo la phambi kwaMunare, and then have Oyizo lapana phambili. You'll see a different ball game together. And then it showed Magangena Umdambo ukuthi, I mean, they nearly scored. No, they had about, I think, 3 chances. They even scored. Who scored again?
Linda.
Angathatha igoli lakhe ahambe team idliwe 2-0 because the coach akafuna ukumdlalisa.
Benifuna ukuthela about ngaye ke futhi, so maybe mhlambi ke nami ndingaphinde ndimdefend uSiyema ndithi okay, maybe he had a plan ukuthi mhlambi towards the end of his second half, mhlambi kenye early in the second half kulapho nomdlalo sekhona, because remember igame ePirates against Richards Bay Nedbank Cup, where Orlando Pirates were excellent in the first half, but came second half Orlando Pirates were nowhere to be seen up until that last minute goal by Utseho Somabas. Orlando Pirates seems like ngathi banento yofuna udlala like the first 45 minutes, and then second half they will allow a team to come at them, or they will play in patches. I don't know what is happening there too.
Yeah. Before ngena lapho Shane, Umdambo is not a youngster. Ukuthi uzolenza super sub. You show respect, man. I spoke about this last week ukuthi, as coaches we need to respect those players so that the players they can also respect us. You cannot, a seasoned player Umdambo has been in the game for years and then uzomenza super sub. No ways. It tend to worry me in our Pirates when a Shane comes second half, they struggle until actually they by the first 20 minutes the second half, but the last 25 minutes
and sometimes was a year the first 20 and then what are in patches.
Yes.
First, but I don't know what's happening there.
Yes, Shane, I want us to be sometimes honest, and I love these boys, and I'm here also to help them to improve their game. I like this boy Mtambo, Umbata.
Yeah.
He gets to get good areas sometimes. But now, the coach got decided in that central position who to sit. Or either Umbata uyadlala or Makhetleni uyadlala, because when they play both of them, they get lost, both of them. Akazi ukuthi uMakhetleni should go, Umbata uzohlala, or Umbata should I go, because at some point there was a foul in Ulonzano CBC where I thought it's in the era where defensive midfielder should be there. But when I watch the game, I saw most of the time the player who goes forward was Makhetleni. That's why he ended up scoring. And now I'm asking, okay, fine, go Makhetleni, but can you control the midfield? Can you close that space in the midfield?
Is he doing that? So
No, he's not doing that. And when he gets the ball, again, the past two games, he did well. Ngibonile ukuthi ingathi uyamamela ukuthi practice the passing yakho boyla. Qala la iduzana, pass la iduzana, gain confidence, and then from there you can start and stretch your balls. But now Ngibonile tonight again, he lost a lot of balls, and you can't lose the balls in that central midfield because you're saying to them, come to us.
So you remember the game against the Al Ali where Orlando Pirates won 2-1.
Yeah.
There was a second half substitution where Solayelo Rasebocha came in.
Yes.
Played excellently. Created
Yes.
goal with
Yes.
Kabelo Dlamini.
Yes.
Now, uthini kuplay njengo Rasebocha if ingeni like against Al Ali, made sure that your team wins and produced a super performance, but now after lamdlalo buke waphinde wadlala uRasebocha.
Njengoba sesimbona ke tonight, because tonight he was out of position.
Played in the last 5 minutes.
Yes.
So
Shane, the thing, length is cut of players been coming in. And I always say, even if it's 2 minutes, make use of that time. There's one player that testified that in my life of football was Andre Sibola. La khurmani bengena nge-referee's optional time. Referee's optional time ithi 2 minutes bamfaka Andre Sibola local izilekere ashaya net win ibhakani.
Yeah, ndiyakuva so. But yazi mna I'm not a coach, I'm not a qualified coach, but I feel ukuthi players should be treated ngokufanayo wena so.
Yes.
I don't know ukuthi kukwesingaphi siza phe showini sikhala ngo talent embatha, but each and every game he starts. But kawujonge benchini, they are capable players. That means players are nayo Jose Rivero like abo Thuso Muleleki, Rasebocha, Okabelo Dlamini, they are capable. Yeah. But it seems like each and every game, Jose Rivero, like it seems like he wants to prove a point to Guti, this is a player, even though this player, you prove for Guti, no, I'm not that player.
Yes, when I share it, there's something that we do as coaches is that when I believe in you, I will always give you a chance. Even though I was gonna allow
Yeah.
But you know what? Let me give him that confidence, him support by playing him.
But now, so you are chasing a league against a point machine against Sundowns.
Yeah.
So now, if you're gonna believe more in players instead of putting the club first, because Orlando Pirates must get over 3 points.
Yeah.
Not to say as a coach, this is the player I believe in. So Jose Rivera needs to be careful. That's all I'm gonna say.
Yeah, no, he's a very smart coach, and Joba sikhuluma kanje ngesizulu, I think uyakhona ukuthi translate yayizwe ngesingam la ukuthi isithini lapha kuye, because it's very important. You cannot have Umbatha in that central midfield and losing balls the way he's losing them,
and he continues to get game time
unless if Umbatha can correct his mistakes. I think if he can correct his passing, I think he can be one of the best players, because he's somebody that out of nothing
he can produce something. Yes.
So
that's talent matter for you. I mean, we're not here to bash players, but if you're not giving your all, we will say it. As much as like Korile will say, okay, you had a good game.
Yes.
So abantu mabangati go okay, we are always bashing 1 and 2, but now sometimes we also give credit the way it's due.
Yeah.
But thank you so much, Mr. Tso. Thank you so much for your conversation. Orlando Pirates 2, Sekhukhune United 1. Orlando Pirates remain second on the log. Mamelodi Sundowns now yogenza sure ukuthi ayikhipha la gap between yona and Orlando Pirates. Emva kobetha ke iTshwane Rivals Super Sport United Park Lucas Masterpieces Modipe Stadium ngamanqaku amathathu eqandeni. But ke namhlanje besicovera igame yeSikhukhune neOrlando Pirates. Thank you so much for watching it, Ski TV.